Okay, so today is one of those days where we have to clean up. We're doing a major cleanup in the store every once in a while. We do this where we take everything out of the store, we reorganize because things can get out of order very, very quick. The store is a little bit messy inside here. We barely have any room to work with, so anything that we do not need, any empty boxes that we have in here, anything like that, we are throwing out in the garbage, or even any older computers that we may not need or have any type of defects, we are throwing them out. I mean, there's no one way to organize, and it's hard to make everything perfect, but we are trying to do this as best as possible. If you look on top here, this is used for stuff that we are currently working on. So these laptops are not done. And what I did, stuff that will be picked up, I temporarily placed them over here. I was thinking of maybe having 10 of those. Then 10 times 3, we can fit 30 devices in here. These are stuff waiting for customers to pick up. Same with these here. These here are tablets that were left over by customers and they were never picked up. It's been over a year maybe. We always give the customer chances. We call them, we send them text messages. We tell customers if you do not pick up within 1 month, then the device will be auctioned, but we still keep the device for 6 months in case customer comes back. So for these tablets here, customers never came back. Surface Pro 4. We have a lot of Samsung tablets here, Amazon tablets. This is a Tab A. A lot of tablets here. So I'm gonna have to go through these and see what each one is. If we can get customers to come back, if not, then we're gonna sell them. Okay. We got these by mail today. This, and also this one here. This is the HP Spectre X360. Most of them have exactly the same issue. If you look here, one here, and we also have one here. Actually, this is not the one. Oh, here, right there. Okay, so I already have a couple of videos on those. I will post them soon. Some of them I was able to figure out what the problem is, and others I'm still working on. This one here came in yesterday. Wi-Fi is not working. Now down here, I'm trying to organize these motherboards. We've had them for such a long time. I do not know if I should throw them or I should keep them. The reason I keep them is sometimes I need a component. Maybe, we have everything from Acer to Asus to HP, Lenovo, any type of board that you can think of. There's a lot of boards here. We have a couple of bins like this. For example, the reason I keep them is maybe I need a MOSFET I can extract from here, maybe I need a capacitor, maybe I need an inductor. So I use these for parts. We have a lot of fans. Big Boss is done with the assembly of this Xbox. We just changed the HDMI port on it. Okay, Big Boss also just finished working on this iPad here. Asus laptop needs a screen. This will be done in a few days from now. And these laptops here, a lot of them were abandoned by customers, and some of them we purchased from customers who want to sell their laptops. So we need to go through them to see what we want to sell, what we want to keep, what we want to display in store. This is money that we have stored in here. Down here we have a lot of broken salvaged MacBooks that we can extract parts from. These are MacBook screens. They're all bad. We can extract the cables from them. We can extract the Wi-Fi. We can extract the clutch from the bottom of the screen. So there's a lot of things that we use from these screens. As you can see, this one here, we took out the cable from this screen here. We use the bottom black clutch from this one here. The screens are all damaged, but the physical condition of the backside is very good. Most of them are in excellent condition, except that the screen is broken or not good. So we keep them for this purpose. These drawers, we have a lot of MacBook motherboards here. So Retina, non-Retina, MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros. This is our fridge. We keep all our drinks, snacks in here. These are the phones that are waiting to be picked up. They're already fixed and done. That's it. Are you going home? Okay. لكن we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, big boss. Take care. It's hot in California today. I think 92 degrees. This sign out here, the first one on top, we just acquired this sign right there. It's 3 by 10 feet, same as this. If you're wondering what's going on in the repair area that I work on, right here, this is the soldering station that I use. New soldering tips, 3 new tips. I'll go over them probably in future videos. This is the soldering iron for the electronic machine. This is the very first machine that we got when we started this business. I still use it for the preheater on top. I do not really use the soldering iron or the hot air, but I do use the preheater. This is the flare cam right here. Weller soldering iron and hot tweezers. This is the microscope. I did a review on this, you can check it out. This is the Amscope light, which goes down on the bottom here. This is the gooseneck spotlight right here. This is our Hdmi switcher by Roland. We do not really use the oscilloscope much, but there are times where we use it. These are the components that we use, whether it's a capacitor, inductor, resistor, all sizes, 201, 402. We have the 805, 1206, so on and so forth. And if you're wondering how it looks like from the inside, this here has about 12,000 components of all values. This tablet we are working on, there's a problem with this tablet turning on. Okay, and these drawers here have iPhone screens. We have few vendors that come in here and buy these screens from us. They are iPhone screens of all types, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 7 Plus. There's over 200 screens here. So all this deals with the broken screens that we can resell. iPads that we are currently working on here. And I want to show you one thing quick. We have a display area for broken screens that are totally damaged, LCD and glass. So we showcase these for customer that comes in here. There's over 1,200 screens in here. We have a lot of new cool gadgets that we have in here. Anything from mini Bluetooth keyboards, wireless keyboard and mouse, all in one. Dash cams, webcams, specialty cables of all types. So we have a lot of specialty cables that we sell, stuff that are hard to find. Memory cards, SD cards, chargers, USB-C, micro USB, Lightning. This is a keychain for Apple Lightning cable, MFI certified. This is MFI certified also. Headsets, cases for Apple products, SD card reader, USB hub, USB 3 hub, multi USB cable. So one cable you can have a lot of different USB connectors. This is a fan that will display text You can program it. iWatch holders, Wi-Fi adapters, more Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth headphones. I mean, we have everything here. These are very, very popular cases for iPads, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, a lot of different cases. Power banks, Bluetooth speakers, selfie sticks, power banks for iPhones, car holders. It mounts on your dashboard. Even connectors that works in all countries. So if somebody is traveling, you have a connector for every country. A wire organizer. There's different types. All these came from China. Selfie stick, this one is very nice. I actually have one home. It looks something like this. So it acts as a selfie stick, or you can actually do it as a stand like this. And it comes with the Bluetooth remote control, where you can take a video or photo by taking this Bluetooth remote out of the holder here. And phone goes up on here, and you can just press for the phone to take a picture or video. We have the iPad holders. This is a mount that plugs into any stand, any camera stand, and you can adjust, you can tilt, rotate this mount. And this is a certified Mustang vehicle. This is really a mouse. You can see the click wheel right over here. This is the phone holder that you put inside your car, and we have something extra now. This is like a sand-filled mat that you put on your dashboard, and the phone holder will stick on it. It will not fall off like if you have this put on your windshield or on the dashboard. It makes a very good connection with this plate here, and heat is not going to affect this mount. So if the vehicle got hot from the inside, the mount is not going to fall due to heat. Very good piece. This is a tablet laptop holder, very high quality. Switches. This is a portable light switch that you can put anywhere in your closet, home, RV, whatever the case may be. We sell a lot of those, and we have a lot of them in stock. We have packages here that has 2 microfiber cloth and a solution to clean the screens on iPhones, laptops, and one of them is an anti-fingerprint solution, so it adds a coat over the screen so you have less fingerprints when you're working with the phone. We have Bluetooth light bulb, so you can control the light from your phone, and there's a speaker built in also, so it's a light and speaker at the same time, and it plugs into your light bulb. No batteries or no charging adapters needed. This is a portable keyboard. It's a flexible keyboard. This is a vertical mouse, really awesome mouse. These cases are for iPads. They have a power bank built in. Laptop chargers that works on MacBooks also. We have those. You know, most of the stuff that we have in here, we haven't posted on our website, but there's still a lot of things that need to go on the website. We have a whole network kit that a person can buy to set up his wired home network. Not a lot of people buy these, but we have a few of them. We sold a few of them. Bluetooth speakers, mouse cradle, Wi-Fi extender, surveillance cameras. We have everything. We recently got this shipment here. It's keyboard and mouse in one. These are refurbished and prices are very good. Power supplies, fans for both AMD and Intel. We have more stock on top here. This is all the camera equipment stuff. We have umbrellas, we have soft boxes, diffusers, all the stuff that deals with photography, and that was my hobby since maybe 10 years ago. I have a lot of equipment, and I used to do that for a living. I used to go to weddings, take photo shoots. I had a studio at home, and I transferred it over to the store here. This soft box is by Kolbaf, same thing with this. It's the Alien B. This is the Canon 5D Mark III camera.
Don't know if you remember me. I came in last year with a problem with my microphone wasn't working.
On which?
It was on an Asus laptop. And I just wanted to share with you. I didn't come back because I found the problem.
Oh, what was the problem?
You know, I found it in the privacy settings.
Yeah, thank you.
I was going next door to get a pack of smokes, and I said, you know, I'm going to pop in here and say hi. If I ever have a problem again, you were very honest and good about it, so I'll definitely come back if I ever need you.
Of course, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again in the next video.